Hey guys and gals, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the brand new update of Zcash. Guys, the information I'm providing here is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research as well for investment. Guys, I just posted a chart on Zcash on October 2019 where I revealed that the price action of Zcash has completed the formation of bullish crab pattern, and I just predicted that the price action will move it at this area. There were some other reasons behind this prediction. One, the basic reason was this pattern, because if we see all the dimensions of the pattern, the dimensions of the pattern as required for a perfect bullish crab pattern. This was the initial leg, and the A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci, and B to C leg was retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci, and the final leg was supposed to be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And here we can see that the price action completed the final leg, and at that time the price action was moving in the potential reversal zone of this bullish crab pattern. And uh, the most powerful indication which or signal which I received at that time was the volume profile. I just placed the volume profile on the complete price line of this bullish crab pattern, and you can see the result here. uh, it is showing that the trader interest is very low below this level and within this potential reversal zone. And the MACD was turned very strong bearish, and the stochastic didn't give any bull cross at that time, but the RSI was oversold. So based on this and the MACD and the RSI, and the most important thing is the pattern, I just predicted that it should enter in the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And now the price action has entered in this area and produced more than 180% massive big profit. So this was a prediction or analysis which I posted in October 2019. Now what next? What the price action will do in the future? Let's have a look on the live chart of Zcash. This was the previous chart, and we can see that the price action is now, after hitting this level, is moving down and using a 0.382 Fibonacci level as a support now. We have some other support just below the price action. I'll just tell you about those supports as well later in this video. First, if we see the exponential moving averages, the EMA 10 and EMA 20 on 12-hour chart, then we can see that we have just received a death cross or bear cross from these moving averages. But I think this death cross or bear cross is just temporary, because if we see the MACD indicator, it is turning bullish, and the stochastic on this 12-hour chart already has visited the oversold zone and given the it has given the bull cross, and the RSI also just visited the oversold zone, and it is turning bullish and moving up now. It was also happened here in January 2019 on 25th of January, when there was the price action was likely to form a death cross or bear cross at that time, but the MACD was turned bullish, and we received a stochastic bull cross from the oversold zone, but RSI was not oversold at that time. So we are in the better position than January 25, because at this time the RSI is also in the oversold zone. So at this time there are more chances of the bullish divergence from here. And if we see on the long-term perspective on the 2-week chart, this is a very long-term perspective, and you can see that the MACD is very strong bearish on this 2-week chart, and Stochastic is very strong, bullish. MACD is bullish, stochastic is bullish, and RSI is also bullish and moving up. And the price action has almost crossed up the EMA 10 and EMA 20 as well. You can see that RSI has crossed up the EMA 10, and maybe this candlestick or next candlestick will be completely closed above this EMA 20 as well. Once the price action will be crossed above or will be able to close above this EMA 20 or exponential moving average 20, then soon we will also receive a bull cross from EMA 10 and EMA 20 on this 2-week chart. And once this bull cross will be formed, let me just show you what happened in the past when this bull cross was formed. You can see here, uh, previously the bull cross was formed almost in June 2017, and after that the price action gave more than 400% profit. And at this time, we can see that the price action has almost crossed up these two EMAs or exponential moving averages. Let's see what happened in the future, what will happen in the future. And if we see the Ichimoku cloud on 4-day chart, up to 4-day chart, the Ichimoku cloud is just turned bullish, and you can also see here the lagging span has crossed up the candlesticks and also entered in the bullish cloud, and the candlesticks also has crossed up the baseline and the conversion line as well, and the conversion line has formed a bull cross with the baseline. These are very strong bullish signals, but the last bullish signal which I'm waiting for is that when the price action will cross up this cloud as well. When the price action will cross up this cloud as well, then that will be a very strong bullish signal. After that, it will be difficult for the price action to cross down this cloud again, and the price action will use this cloud as a support, and this will be a very strong support. And on this 4-day chart, the directional movement also has given us the bull cross. You can see the bulls, the blue line, which is the plus D1 or DI of this directional movement, has crossed up the bears line, which is the minus DI. And the ADX is up, and ADX is showing the power of bulls at this time, because we have the bulls line up than the bears line. This is the 4-day chart, and these signals on 4-day chart are very strong. And if we see the simple moving averages on day chart, they're also in a very good condition, good position. They're likely to form an open alligator's mouth, like once we have here. This is the most recent open alligator mouth we have in the past. Like in June 2019, it was formed, and the price action produced more than 121% profit. The same is likely to happen again here. This is the 25 simple moving average. This blue one, this green one is the 50 moving average. Black one is the 200 moving average, and this red one is the 100 moving average. And we can see that the 25 moving average has crossed up all other the moving averages, like it crossed up here, and the 50 moving average has crossed up all other moving averages, like it behaved here in June 2019. And now we can see that the 100 moving average is likely to cross up very soon the 200 moving average. Once we will have the order of the moving averages, 25 should when the 25 moving average will be above all the moving averages, like it is above all the moving averages, and 50 moving average, and then 100 moving average, and then 200 moving average. The open alligator mouth is almost done here, but we just need this final bull cross between, or golden cross between 100 and 200 moving averages. After that, our opened alligator mouth will be completely formed, and it can produce a very powerful bull rally. and will have very strong supports of 25 moving average, 50 moving average, 100 and 200 moving averages just below the price action, and they will lift the price action up to produce a powerful bull rally. And if we see the long-term support and resistances, then we have two supports below the price action. One is the at $49.81, and the last support is at $26.64. And our long-term first resistance is at $76.90. It was also resistance in April 2019, and at that time, this resistance was not able to break out. And now the price action is again fighting this resistance. At this time, you can see the price action has almost reached at this resistance level and now moving down again. And the next resistance level will be $115.51. Now we have a very strong support on this week chart, and that is 50 moving average. This is also a very strong support before this support of $49.81. At this time, the 50 moving average on this week chart is at $56.92. I'm just using, if I'll be trading Zcash, I'll use this moving average of 50, simple moving average, as my support. I'll not use this moving average as my support, because this is really very strong support. This is a week chart, and this is a 50 moving average of week chart. And if we talk about the chart patterns of Zcash, this time the Zcash has formed a cup and handle formation. Here we can see the wave down and wave up is driven very softly. It doesn't have any V shape or hard corners. And after the formation of body of the cup, if we just ignore this spike, the price action had a pullback and formed a handle of the cup, and then the price action took the bullish divergence and broke out the resistance of the handle of the cup, and soon it will also break out the resistance of the cup as well. We have the resistance of the cup at $65.58. In most of the cases, more than 80% cases, whenever the price action break out the handle of the cup, it also break out the resistance of the cup as well. So I'm watching Zcash as in a very strong position at this time. It is having some pullback, but unless it will not break down this support of 50 moving average on week chart, which we have just seen here, it is in a very strong position. And we have also on day chart, we have simple moving average support just below the price action. We have the 25 moving average support, and for the first time, the price action is testing the 25 moving average as a support. Maybe it will take another bullish divergence from here, and we have after that 50 moving average support, and a golden cross formation is likely to be formed very soon between 100 and 200 moving average. This golden cross can also produce a very strong bullish rally, and we have the supports of 200 and 100 moving averages as well. So this was the update from Zcash. I'll definitely keep you updated by posting more videos and articles and posts on Zcash price action movement. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.